MASTT 2040. Third scenario of European manufacturing. The third pole. Europe navigating the crosscurrents of US-China rivalry. Amidst US-China rivalry, a divided Europe struggles to maintain autonomy by prioritizing local production, hyper-flexible factories, and a creative economy. Let's look at an ordinary day of a company owner. The morning started with a tense board meeting, the US-China trade war casting a long shadow over our European market. We celebrated a successful run at our hyper-flexible factory, adapting swiftly to a sudden surge in demand for locally sourced, sustainably produced components. Later, I met with a local artist collective, exploring how their unique aesthetic could be integrated into our product designs, a cornerstone of our creative economy strategy. The afternoon brought the frustration of navigating conflicting national regulations, a constant reminder of the internal political tensions that threatened to undermine our EU-wide ambitions. However, we ended the day on a positive note, securing a contract with a network of small and medium enterprises for a collaborative project on circular manufacturing, a clear demonstration of the resilience of our local ecosystem. This project also highlighted the growing demand for manufacturing-as-a-service solutions, with our hyper-flexible factories being perfectly positioned to provide customized production runs for smaller enterprises. We are seeing a shift where the ownership of the manufacturing process is becoming as important as the product itself. The experiences of one company are just part of a bigger picture. Under this scenario, manufacturing as a service takes on new forms. A network of hyper-flexible, modular factories, resilient, self-healing supply chains, local additive and on-demand manufacturing networks, cyber-resilient manufacturing networks, consumer-directed production networks. The biggest shift in the European manufacturing industry by 2040, compared to 2025, will be the move from rigid, globalized supply chains to a decentralized network of hyper-flexible, cyber-resilient local manufacturing ecosystems that autonomously heal from disruptions and empower a creative ecosystem of local providers to develop and deploy on-demand manufacturing solutions.